Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel RD Today let's explore some essential functions: min, max, rand, rand between, date, today and now. Min function. Imagine you have a list of numbers and you want to find the smallest among them. That's where the min function comes in handy. We have the athlete's data. If you want to get the minimum age, weight or height of the athletes, simply type is equal to min, hit tab button and select the range. Close the bracket and hit enter. That's it. Excel will effortlessly locate the minimum value in the specified range, helping you identify the smallest number in your dataset. Max function. Now let's talk about the counterpart to min, the max function. Need to find the largest value in a range? No problem. Width is equal to max. Hit tab button and select the range. Close the bracket and hit enter. Excel will pinpoint the maximum value, allowing you to quickly identify the largest number in your data. Rand function. But what if you want to add a dash of randomness to your spreadsheet? Enter the rand function by typing is equal to rand, close bracket and hit enter. Drag the function vertically and horizontally. You can generate a random decimal between 0 and 1. It's perfect for scenarios where a touch of changeability can make your data more dynamic and engaging. Rand between function. Sometimes you need random integers within a specific range. That's where the rand between function shines. For example, if you want to get random numbers between 1 and 100, type is equal to rand between, hit tab button, bottom value, type 1, top value, type 100, close the bracket and hit enter. Drag the function like this. Excel generates a random whole number between 1 and 100. Date function. First up, we have the date function. Need to create a specific date. With is equal to date, year, type 2023, month, type 11 and day, type 23 and hit enter. Excel will generate the date November 23rd, 2023. It's a fantastic tool for constructing date values with accuracy and ease. Today function. Next, meet the today function. It's your go-to for always having the current date at your fingertips. By typing is equal to today, hit tab button, close the bracket and hit enter. Excel provides the current date dynamically, ensuring your spreadsheet always reflects the present moment. Now function. Time to talk about the now function. If you want both the date and time, type is equal to now, hit tab button, close the bracket and hit enter. This function delivers the current date and time, updating in real time. Perfect for tracking changes or events with utmost accuracy. If you found the video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.